Paolo, Kim, ramdam ang pressure dahil kina Park Seo-joon at Park Min-young. Matinding pressure ang nararamdaman ni Paulo Avellino at Kim Chiu sa Filipino adaptation ng K-drama series na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Bukod sa talagang nag-hit sa South Korea ang naturang serye, ay sikat na sikat din ang mga lead stars nitong sina Park Seo-joon at Park Min-young. Sa naganap na Grand Media Con ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim nitong nagdaang Sabado sa Araneta City, Cubao, natanong sina Kim at Paulo kung ano ang mga dapat abangan ng fans at kung may pressure silang nararamdaman sa nalalapit na pag-ere nito sa VU Philippines. As proud Pinoy, maraming nilagay ang mga writers namin and everyone involved dito sa paggawa ng Secretary Kim, the Philippine version, maraming Filipino touch such as family-oriented or yung mga more comedy side. Actually kapag pinanood mo siya side by side, medyo parehas siya pero yung story namin is more Filipino and mas nakaka-relate yung karamihan, sabi ng aktres. Para naman kay Paulo, palagi naman daw may pressure kapag may bago siyang project, lalo pat super successful ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Of course there's pressure because, whenever you do an adaptation, you will always gonna be compared to the original series. And not just that, we're portraying characters that been portrayed by as you've said Korean stars like everyone loves PSJ, Park Seo-joon, everyone loves the female counterpart of Secretary Kim, and it's always a pressure, say ng aktor. Siniguro rin ni Kim na maraming makaka-relate ang madlang people sa Pinoy version ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, habang ginagawa namin yung adaptation na to, it doesn't feel like work. Tapos when we see the outcome and the finished product, hindi naman lahat napanood namin pero may mga clips lang na napanood sa tulong ng mga directors namin and creatives na parang ang saya, nagawa ng mga Pinoy yung ganitong klase na pwede tayong makipagsabayan sa Korea. Ani Kim. Nakaka-proud and very happy with the outcome ng palabas na to and of course we're very excited and very happy, yun lang masasabi ko. Kinakabahan of course hindi naman mawawala yun, we're very excited and confident this will be very good adaptation. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim adaptation, dagdag pa niya. Mapapanood na ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim simula sa March 18 sa VU Philippines digital streaming app, mula sa ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment at VU.